Andrew Boutros is the highest-ranking federal law enforcement official in the state of Illinois. And as of today, he's been running the powerful Northern District of Illinois office for U.S. Attorney for the last 100 days. Now the full court of all district judges will decide if Boutros keeps the job. With the swish of a pen on April 7th, Andrew Boutros assumed the role of U.S. Attorney overseeing the storied Northern District of Illinois. Boutros' appointment, executed at the behest of Attorney General Pam Bondi, came as an interim assignment. Federal statute mandates a 120-day window. ABC 7 chief legal analyst Gil Sofer, a former federal prosecutor himself, explains.
At the expiration of 120 days, the district court can choose either to appoint him on a more permanent basis or decline to appoint him.
In a statement, Chief Judge Virginia Kendall, who oversees the district court, told the I-Team, pursuant to this statute, the district court judges will consider the matter during an executive session prior to August 5th, 2025. August 5th will mark the 120th day of Boutros' appointment.
It's rare enough that a U.S. attorney is appointed to the position in the way that Boutros was. It would be even rarer for a court to decline to make the appointment more permanent.
Monday, a district court in the Northern District of New York did just that, declining to appoint President Trump's pick, John Sarcone III, to permanently lead the prosecutor's office there. The I-Team has previously reported that the number of indictments from the Northern District of Illinois has dropped steadily since 2019. Since April 7th, when Andrew Boutros assumed the top prosecutor job, a spokesperson said federal prosecutors in Chicago have filed 120 cases with 167 defendants. That's a 30% increase over the same period last year, April 7th to July 15th, 2024, where prosecutors in the office filed 92 cases with 117 defendants. For the office that's taken down drug lords and locked up a long roster of former governors and politicians, the U.S. attorney in charge dictates the direction of criminal prosecution.
It affects everybody in the state. His priorities will make the difference between whether gun violence is pursued aggressively or isn't, whether white-collar fraud is pursued aggressively or isn't, and so on. It's a very, very important decision that affects millions of people.
Under Boutros, the office continues to shrink. In February, the Northern District of Illinois told the I-Team they had 144 prosecutors, now just 126, and that includes prosecutors who took the so-called fork-in-the-road retirement in Doge cuts, so there will be fewer. Despite that, a spokesperson says indictments are up 140% for the first 6 months of this year over the very same period last year.
That's an interesting measure of productivity.
So what they're saying is they're doing more with less.
Yeah, there it is.